Hello, welcome students in a part second of a computation of a crop vegetation using a satellite. First, you get confused about the name of this point, that is the computation of a crop using satellite. Is it possible? Yes, it is a possible. That means we are the under the satellite study. That means above the earth there are the some artificial satellite. They can capture the image of a vegetation. From that we also take a vegetation, or the by the aeroplane take the photo of that biomass vegetation. That can also we take a analysis of that vegetation. Let's see. Vegetation biomass is a very important parameter for the forecasting the yield capacity. For the forecasting the yield capacity, forecasting, that means analyze the production of a green field or the farming field. Today most developed country depends on the agriculture productivity determined in terms of a use and the need of a cultivation. We can analyze by the plane or the satellite. With the help of plane, aerial photographs are taken and determine the land crop distribution. And the satellite, that is known as a remote sensing technique. We have also or the learn about the remote sensing technique. With the help of here on the earth, with the help of earth, we can take a photographs. With the help of earth, we can take a photographs by using a satellite. With them, that means remote techniques. By clicking one button, satellites taken the image of a biomass. It is art and science, the acquiring information of object without touching, and the measurement done at any distance. These effective data are collected and develop the biomass, that is known as a satellite mass. With the help of that, the some parameter are calculated. In that first parameter, that are the SR or the simple ratio or the RVI, that means ratio vegetation index are calculated. That means simple ratio, that means so when we are take a photographs by satellites, then how are the measure the vegetation are described mathematically. Vegetation are described mathematically. Combination of a spectral band, satellite image developed by the spectral wavelength. In the image, absorbance wavelength is a more become a dark object, while the less absorbent object become a bright. The satellite are work on the basis of their radiation. That radiation sent to the earth. Okay, that radiation of wavelength they send to the earth. When radiation pass through the biomass, some radiation, it is a very less object are present on the that biomass. That image become a bright because there are the less absorption of radiation. If there is a dark image, that means their biomass is a very much in a presence. Then the image developed by using NIR and the IR wavelength. Image shows the following character: green vegetation, black soil, rock, blue water, and the red continuous vegetation. That means that is a band of wavelength we can consider as it is. Then simple ratio index. Simple ratio is we known as a often used in a vegetation index, the ratio of a light that scatter in a NIR range and it absorb in a red range. The range value from 0 to 30, where the healthy vegetation that are the 2 to 8. This ratio, the wavelength is the highest reflectance for a vegetation. Wavelength of a deepest chlorophyll absorption, SR, is equal to NIR divided by red. Then DVI, that is difference in a vegetation index. It distinguishes soil and a green vegetation. It does not consideration difference between reflectance and radiance caused by the atmospheric effect. DVI, it is a sensitive amount of vegetation. Distinguish soil and vegetation. DVI is equal to NIR minus red. Next, it is a NDVI, normal difference vegetation index. It is the effective vegetation index for the quantifying the green vegetation. It is the mostly used vegetation index. Normalized green leaf scattering near the infrared wavelength and the chlorophyll absorption red wavelength. Index measurement healthy green vegetation. Combination, it is a difference formulation used in a highest absorption. It can be saturate when a LI become a high. The value of a index is ranges from the -1 to the +1. The common green vegetation index is a 0.2 to 0.8. NDVI is equal to the NIR minus red, NIR plus red. Okay, it is used in a JDP. This is the overall chapter number 10, that are the vegetation index with the help of a satellite. Thank you.